Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Not a helping hands inside, be like. Have you ever looked around and thought, where did everybody go? No support available, no backup, no helping hand nearby, just you and challenge. But sometimes those moments teaches the biggest lessons, reason why facing things solo can help us grow. One, learning to be independent, be like, guess I'm the entire team today. Reason, independence grows when we take responsibility. Two, finding solutions yourself. Time to activate problem solving mood. Reason, challenges encourages creativity. Three, building strength. I didn't know I could do that. Reason, difficult situations reveal hidden abilities. For solving the puzzle, every problem has a clue somewhere. Reason, persistence helps us learn. Five, taking charge. Captain of the ship, reporting for duty. Reason, leadership often starts with initiative. Six, learning new skills. Well, I guess I'm learning this today. Reason, growth comes from experience. Seven, staying focused. No distractions. Mission accepted. Reason, focus improves results. Eight, becoming resourceful. Let's see what I can work with. Reason, limited resources inspire innovation. Nine, discovering confidence. I handle that better than expected. Reason, success builds confidence. 10, growing through experience and other lesson unlock. Reason, every challenge teaches something valuable. 11, leveling up, achievement unlock, problem solver. Reason, skills improve through practice. 12, thinking creatively. Plan A, B, C, and maybe D. Reason, creativity thrives during challenges. 13, keeping moving forward. Slow progress is still progress. Reason, consistency matters. 14, appreciate small wins. That tiny victory feels huge. Reason, every step count. 15, learning patience. Good thing take time. Reason, patience help you stay calm. 16, discovering hidden talents. Wait, I can do that. Now, reason, challenges reveal strength. 17, finding your own style. I'll do it my way. Reason, independence encourages originality. 18, appreciating future support. Next time, someone helps, I'm bringing snacks. Remember, solo experiences increases gratitude. 19, rising to the challenge. Challenge accepted. Reason, obstacles can become opportunities.